Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on POCO M7 Pro. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Edge, and now click search and click install. Now you can click open. And here you can set your browser as your default browser, or you can click not now. And now you have to confirm your data and privacy settings. And as you can see, my Microsoft Edge browser is now installed and is ready to use, so that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.